Estate planning mistakes. Here's a shocking fact. 2 out of 3 Americans don't have a will. And even those who do, many have made mistakes that could turn their family's future into a legal nightmare. But here's the good news. These mistakes are totally fixable. Let's tackle 3 huge mistakes that trip up most families. Mistake number 1, the "I'll do it later" trap. No estate plan means the state decides everything. Who gets your stuff? Who takes care of your kids? Spoiler alert, it's probably not who you'd choose. Mistake number 2, the set it and forget it problem. Got married? Had kids? Moved states? That old plan sitting in your drawer might actually be worthless now. Life changes. Your plan should too. Mistake number 3, the DIY disaster. Sure, online forms are cheap, but one missing signature or wrong checkbox can invalidate everything. Your family deserves better than a legal mess, right? The result? Family fights, massive legal bills, and years of court battles. Nobody wants that legacy. But here's the amazing part. Every single one of these problems disappears with proper planning. And it's way easier than you think to get it right. Estate planning isn't one and done. Legacy Assurance Plan membership delivers ongoing guidance from experienced attorneys as well as updates as life changes. Seeking solutions that work for you? Schedule a free consultation to find out more.